The Hinuthrep Youth Council (HYC) met the Deputy Commissioner of Southwest Khasi Hills District B. Maulong on Tuesday, requesting the district administration to beef up security at the Indo-Bangla border under the Southwest Khasi Hills District to prevent illegal infiltration of the Bangladeshi nationals into Indian territory in view of the current situation in Bangladesh. The HYC has requested the DC to instruct that the BSF and the district police should work hand in hand so that people illegally crossing to India can be detected.
Krim juga district ini bandawa ban klan ban talasi ban tekbenia ya karun kami kibri nomor jala bat idawaru ngeleng ngorban bahkan penklan ya ki pulit aku kasih trilang ru BSF aktif kan border ki ba khamtam lengba ka Ranikor nang ta ka Borsora ka Nongjri berkebalat